Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we're looking at a 2006 to 2015 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you the location of your post catalytic converter oxygen sensor or your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on this Honda Civic. Now, if you're chasing a code or if you're having some issue, make sure you comment below, ask away. Also like, subscribe, and share while you're watching this video. But right here, if you look over the engine, between the firewall and the engine, you can see there is the actual Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor, post or downstream oxygen sensor right there. Right above that is the connector. If you ever replace these, make sure you get a direct fit OEM replacement. If you need to replace this oxygen sensor, you might need a oxygen sensor socket set like this one right here. And you're gonna need a new oxygen sensor, obviously, and always make sure if you can't direct replacement from the manufacturer, get a good oxygen sensor. Look up and see who makes the factory replacements for these sensors. So just make sure you get a good one and always get a direct fit, one that clips right in. Never get a splice in oxygen sensor, no matter if it is the post-cat or pre-cat. Just never use a splice in oxygen sensor. If you need an oxygen sensor for this vehicle, make sure you look for helpful links in the description below to purchase one, and also the socket set will be down there as well. If you check out the video library, I have a ton of other videos on the emissions components, locations, and information on this vehicle, so make sure you check that out before you go too far. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.